All right, the real deal is to take a look what's inside in all these little hatches, and I'll try to do that without killing myself. Again, if you have a clean bilge, it tells the story of your boat. Every area here is pretty clean. That's a shower pump there, by the way, and the first thing I showed you was the bow thruster area. This does have central vac, by the way. This area, the waste containers underneath all this stuff, and you have a filter for that as well, which is pretty cool. Again, everything is nice and clean. And then the engine room, it's another sign of good maintained boat. Just having a good engine room. Nice clean engine room. This has got plenty of room in it. Oops, a little dark down here. Should turn on the lights, but generators toward the stern. Got the battery charger there. Nice and clean. And everything is just pretty much spotless down here, which is what you want. All kind of Crusaders. I want to make sure to put that on there as well. I think they're 8.1 Crusaders, but plenty of room to work. Plenty of room to work down here.